Awning windows are a popular choice for Pell City homeowners thanks to their energy efficiency, weather resistance, and excellent ventilation. Hinged at the top and opening outward, these windows are especially useful in warm, humid climates where airflow and rain protection matter. However, like any window style, awning windows can develop issues over time, especially if they were improperly installed or exposed to years of weather changes. The good news is that local Pell City professionals are well equipped to identify and resolve these problems effectively. Here are some of the most common awning window issues and how experienced professionals solve them. Difficulty opening or closing the window. One of the most frequent complaints homeowners have is awning windows that feel stiff, hard to open, or won't close fully. This issue often stems from worn hardware, misalignment, or debris buildup. How professionals fix it. Inspecting and adjusting the hinges and crank mechanism, cleaning tracks and removing dirt or corrosion, replacing worn-out hardware when necessary. Proper adjustment restores smooth operation and prevents further strain on the window components. Drafts and air leaks around the frame. Awning windows are designed to seal tightly when closed, but over time, worn weather stripping or improper installation can allow air to leak in. How professionals solve the issue. Replacing damaged or compressed weather stripping, resealing gaps around the window frame, checking alignment to ensure even compression when closed. These steps help restore energy efficiency and improve indoor comfort, especially during Pell City's hot summers. Water leaks during heavy rain. Although awning windows are ideal for rainy conditions, leaks can occur if flashing or seals fail. Common causes include deteriorated exterior caulking, improper flashing, installation, frame shifting due to settling. Professional solutions include reapplying high-quality exterior sealants, correcting or replacing flashing, ensuring proper drainage pads around the window. Addressing leaks quickly prevents moisture damage and mold growth. Loose or failing crank mechanisms. The crank handle allows awning windows to open and close easily. Over time, this component can loosen or stop working altogether. How experts fix crank issues. Tightening or realigning loose mechanisms, replacing stripped or broken crank assemblies, lubricating moving parts for smoother performance. Professionals ensure the replacement hardware matches the window's specifications for long-term reliability. Window won't stay open. If an awning window won't remain open, it may be due to worn hinges or support arms that can no longer hold the sash in place. Professional repair steps include inspecting hinge integrity, replacing worn support components, testing opening angles to ensure stability. This ensures safe operation and proper ventilation. Condensation or fog between glass panes. Foggy glass indicates a failed seal in insulated glass units, reducing energy efficiency and visibility. How professionals address this problem. Confirming seal failure, replacing the insulated glass unit or the entire window if needed, ensuring proper sealing during replacement. This restores clarity and insulation performance. Excessive outside noise. When seals degrade or windows are misaligned, outdoor noise can become more noticeable indoors. Professional solutions include replacing worn seals, ensuring tight sash closure, upgrading glass units when necessary. These improvements help maintain a quieter, more comfortable home environment. Long-term issues caused by poor installation. Many recurring awning window problems trace back to improper installation. Poor alignment, weak anchoring, or incorrect sealing can shorten a window's lifespan. Pell City professionals address this by reinstalling windows correctly when needed, reinforcing frames and anchors, ensuring compliance with manufacturer standards. Proper installation prevents future issues and protects warranties. Why local Pell City expertise matters. Local professionals understand Pell City's climate, building styles, and seasonal weather challenges. Their experience allows them to diagnose problems accurately and apply solutions that last. Reliable solutions start with professional care. Awning windows offer outstanding benefits, but only when they function properly. From drafts and leaks to hardware failures, common issues can affect comfort and efficiency if left unaddressed. Fortunately, Pell City professionals know exactly how to resolve these problems with precision and care. By trusting experienced local experts, homeowners can restore their awning windows' performance, extend their lifespan, and continue enjoying energy efficiency, ventilation, and peace of mind for years to come.